What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So this is what a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Note smartphone might look like. The model was created on the basis of the company's patents. The insider brings patented Samsung Galaxy smartphone with wraparound screen and S Pen dock to the life in a series of realistic high-quality renders. It is not yet clear what the fate of the Samsung Galaxy Note line of smartphones will be, but the resource Let's Go Digital together with the designer Technizo Concept created a 3D model and renders of the device, which they call the Galaxy Z Fold Note, which can combine the features of the Galaxy Fold and Note lines. The high quality images are based on Samsung patents, but of course, this does not mean that such a smartphone will ever be released or will be exactly like that. The device has a large flexible screen that folds in two places. The authors believe that this design has several advantages over the one used in the current folds. This is, presumably, a lower price, less weight, more versatility, and the ability to fit inside the stylus. Among the disadvantages in the permanently open display, which increases the risk of damaging it. In addition, a part of the screen in the folded state is on the back of the device. That is, when it falls, everything also plays not in favor of this design. It won't be easy to create a case for such a smartphone either. When unfolded, this device offers a similar screen size as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Thanks to the large screen size, this phone is excellent for working productively. However, there is no separate front display available. Instead, Samsung uses a wraparound display with the patented model, which can be wrapped around the housing in its most compact form. The entire front, the right side, and half of the back consists of the screen surface. It is therefore not an inwardly flexible screen, as is the case with the current Z Fold series of smartphones. It is not an S Pen compartment, as we are used to from the Galaxy Note line. Instead, Samsung has made two cutouts on the back of the wraparound display. Here the S Pen can be clamped in between when the phone is folded. Thanks to magnets, the S Pen will not just fall out of the compartment when you unfold this not foldable smartphone. As for the cameras, two variants are shown in the patent images. One, an under-display camera. The other contains a double punch-hole camera placed in the top right of the flexible screen. When the phone is unfolded, this dual camera can be used as a selfie camera for making video calls. When folded, the dual camera moves to the back, allowing you to take regular photos and video recordings. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.